Tired of payroll headaches? Let's tame the beast by adding a previous employer to Gusto, ensuring accurate tax calculations and happy employees. First, log into your Gusto account. You'll land on your main dashboard. From here, navigate to the People section. On the left-hand side menu, it's usually represented by an icon of a person or a small group of people. Once in the People section, locate the employee for whom you need to add previous employer information. Click on their name to open their employee profile. Within the employee's profile, look for a tab or section labeled Employment or Job Details. Click on this tab. This area contains all the details about their current and past employment history with your company. Within the Employment section, scroll down until you find an option to add prior employer or previous employment. This might be a button or a link, depending on Gusto's interface. Click on it. Now, you'll be presented with a form to fill out. This form will require information about the employee's previous employer. Start by entering the employer's name in the designated field. Next, enter the dates of employment, the start and end dates of their time with the previous employer. Accurate dates are crucial for correct tax reporting. Crucially, you'll need to enter the wages earned and taxes withheld from the previous employer during the current calendar year. This information is usually found on the employee's W-2 form from that prior employer. Enter this data accurately into the corresponding fields. Once you've filled in all the required information, double-check everything for accuracy. Then, click the Save or Submit button at the bottom of the form, and that's it. You've successfully added the previous employer information to Gusto.